In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Printify account using an easy and straightforward method. First, what we need to do is visit the Printify website and log into your account. This is a crucial step because without accessing your account, you won't be able to proceed with the verification process. Make sure you use your correct username and password to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, glance over to the left side of the dashboard. You'll notice a menu there. Hover your cursor down this side menu and look for the section labeled Account. Go ahead and click on it. Accessing your account settings is essential, as this is where you'll find your verification options. Next, within this account section, you will need to locate and click on Settings. The Settings page acts like your command center. It's where you can manage, adjust, and tweak various aspects of your account, including your verification status. Now look for the option to Get Verification Email. Clicking on this prompts Printify to send a verification email to the email address associated with your account. This step is vital to confirm that the email you're using is connected to a real account holder and that it's fully operational. After you've requested the verification email, the next step is to switch over to your email inbox. Be sure to check the inbox for the email address associated with your Printify account. Sometimes these verification emails can land in your spam or promotions folder, so if you don't see it immediately, make sure you take a quick look there as well. It typically doesn't take long for the email to arrive, but if it's been a couple of minutes, refreshing your inbox can be helpful. Once you have located the email in your inbox, open it up. Look for a button or a link that says Confirm or mentions something about completing the verification. Click on it. This final action confirms your email and by extension your account with Printify. And just like that, your Printify account is verified. Keep in mind that this verification process is important as it ensures your account remains secure and that you have access to all the features Printify provides. By completing this process, you're ensuring that your account is set up correctly and ready to use, enabling you to make the most out of your Printify experience. Thanks for following along with these steps on how to verify your Printify account. Make sure to give this process a try and enjoy peace of mind knowing your account is secure and verified.